Little bird up in the sky, close your wings, the night is nigh. Feathers soft as whispered sighs underneath the velvet skies. Stars like diamonds shining bright guide you through the quiet night. Every breeze a lullaby, singing low as you drift by. Sweet little bird, the moon will keep watching you while you softly sleep. Dreams will carry on silver streams, fly on gentle beams. Rest your soul so pure and light, bright and shy on gentle beams. Rest your soul so pure and light, wrapped in shadows of the night. Safe and warm till morning gleams. Sleep, little bird, in peaceful dreams. Hush now, robin, rest and stay. Morning sun will bring the day. Close your eyes and drift away to the clouds that sail and sway. Sparrow's song, a tender tune, cradled by the silver moon. Every star, a glowing friend, watching till the night shall end. Sleep, little bird, the moon will keep watching you while you softly will carry on gentle beams. Dreams will carry on silver streams, wrapped in shadows of the night. Safe and warm till morning gleams. Sleep, little bird, in peaceful dreams. Close, the world is still, calm and quiet, soft and chill. Night's embrace, a velvet glove, wrapped in warmth and endless love. In the hush of stars align, in the hush of starry gleam, a cradle for your sweetest dream. Sweet little bird, the moon will keep watching you while you softly sleep. Dreams will carry on silver streams. Dreams will carry on gentle beams, wrapped in shadow until morning night. Sleep with little bird in peaceful dreams. Sleep, little bird, the night is deep. Guarded close in slumber's keep, till the dawn's first golden beams. Fly on stars, soft and gentle.